welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Erica J. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, hey, this is a channel where I discuss fashion, lifestyle, and self-care. And in today's video, y'all know I love new stuff. I am doing an unboxing of my brand new Prada gold and metallic platform heels, baby. They are hot. I cannot wait, girl. I'm gonna try them on with you guys, give you all the details. So yeah, let's just open the box up and get right into it. Brand new Prada box. I'm gonna warn you, the paper is wrinkled because I did try these on in the store. Because you know, in the comments, y'all be vicious like, why isn't the paper crisp and new? You know, all these things. But anyway, let's just unbox and stop talking. All right, so let's see here. All this paper everywhere. Yeah, I couldn't wait to get these. I'm going out to a birthday party, and your girl has to wear platforms because I broke my ankle, and these are the best things for me. Look at this, baby. It is so gold and shiny. Let me get out the other one. Make sure you can see it. And I'm looking for my dust bag, y'all. It's like, where is the dust bag? Okay, my dust bag is intact. It is here. 2 dust bags with the little Prada logo on the bottom. I'm gonna put these to the side and grab the other shoe. This was the one that I didn't try on. Because I always just try on the left shoe because that's the ankle that I broke. Oh, but whatever, here we go. All that talking. Look at these beautiful babies, y'all. They're so gold and shiny. They have the Prada logo on the inside. I have the details for this platform too because I know y'all want to know. So the actual heel is 5 inches and then the platform is 1.5 inches. So that's like a little bit over 3 inches like overall for the heel. It has a crisscross in the back, strap around the ankle. These are like, they look like solid gold, y'all. And look at the detail on the front. Let me stand up and get close. The Prada logo, the old school Prada logo on the front, y'all. These shoes are so cute. I'm gonna try them on for you. Look at the bottom, it's black. Yeah, aren't these lights to die for? I cannot wait to try these on. I saw these online. Really, no I didn't. I saw these in Paris in the platform style, but in rhinestone and black and white, and I was like, man, those shoes are banging, but I literally had like nowhere to go, so why purchase them? But when I ordered a dress for this birthday party, had a little gold in the collar, I was like, these would be perfect. And I'm gonna put on the dress too and show y'all the shoes with the dress, y'all, because that's gonna be so cute. And that's actually where I'm going tonight and why I'm all dolled up. Yeah, so that's the specifications on them. They have a little peephole here, but when you try them on, your toe only comes out like a little peekaboo. So that is really cute too, because sometimes when shoes cut directly across the toe, they like cut off your circulation. So I was kind of actually glad that it's only like a small little peep out, because I know that way my toe won't like push forward and it would hurt. So yeah, let's try them on. So I'm gonna slide back so you can see. Put these on. Ooh, baby, these are just super sexy. Okay, and put the strap on. I have like a very small ankle, so I have to make sure it's like on the very last hoop. All right. Put these on the other side. So beautiful, and they're so easy to walk in. So let me see, let me push this back a little bit, and then you can get into it. And you can see they're so easy to walk in, even though they look like super high. Platforms are always very easy to walk in. If you have trouble walking in like 4-inch heels or 3.5-inch heels or anything above that, like platforms, they give you like way more stability. They're stronger, and like it takes a much longer time for them to hurt your feet. I learned that when I broke my ankle, that platforms are better than regular heels. So platforms are like my new best friends. But these are like very gorgeous. They're actually very comfortable. The arch is not bad either. Yeah, so these are a winner. Okay ladies, so I'm about to go and get dressed with my new best friends that I especially purchased for this beautiful evening gown I'm about to put on, because I want you guys to see how these actually look with a nice dress, and how they make your body, platforms make your body look extra long. Even though I'm already tall, I'm gonna look like I'm about 6'2". But anyway, I'll be right back. Okay beautifuls, this is the complete outfit. So gorgeous together. I hope that it's really translating on camera, because your girl is feeling good. It's looking good. I'm giving leg with these platform heels. This combination was perfect, and this shoe is absolutely perfect, y'all. Super comfortable. So yeah, that is my review and unboxing of the Prada platform metallic leather heel. If you have any questions or comments, leave me a comment in the comments section below. I'm out of breath because your girl's been getting dressed and I'm ready to go. But anyway, and until the next video guys, I love you so much. Make sure to check out some of my other videos, especially the one connected to this one. And peace. Love you. Oh wait, let me get into it one more time.